Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is day 3 on our trip and also our last day on our trip. We will be heading home. Everyone is done at breakfast right now and I am packing all of my stuff and Aiden's stuff and all that. I have a mark on my cheek. So on our last day here, we're going to stop at a couple places in town and then we'll be heading home. Highly recommend staying at the Inn on Lake Superior. It's a beautiful hotel. I'm sorry I didn't really show much of it. If you guys would like to start showing like the hotels and stuff that we stay at, let me know down in the comments. And because Dearest and I are going on a trip again at the end of the month. I hope this video is up by then. We are back in the cities from our Duluth trip. We are at Mom's house right now. Careful for the froggy, don't step on him. Don't catch him, leave the froggy alone. Let the froggy bees watch him. Dearest is at work still and we are an hour away from home. Dearest works in the cities. He works like 20 minutes away from here. So he's going to pick Aiden and I up when he gets home from work. Hey, I said leave the frog alone. It is so hot in the cities. When we left Duluth, it was cloudy. It was like 55 degrees. And now in the cities, it's humid, very humid, and I think it's like 84 degrees here. So it's like a 30 degree difference between Duluth and here, but where Dearest and I live is even hotter. This morning at 9:50 it was 84 degrees but felt like 89. I'm kind of scared to see how hot it's here because where Dearest and I live is 10 degrees hotter than it is where my mom lives. So Dearest and I have to run to the store, grab some last minute things. Okay, now that's my butt. Things we do for the house, like a trash can, hamper, you know, stuff for the house, and apparently fireworks. and I guess we had to get a popper machine tonight as well. So Mom and I are packing up the truck while Darius is getting Wednesday, our hedgehog, ready to go home. Because tonight we're bringing Wednesday home, and then tomorrow we're coming back for our snakes and my frog and our geckos to go home. So yeah. So because fireworks are canceled in Duluth, Darius wants to shoot some off here for Aiden so he can at least watch some fireworks for 4th of July. So we are going to go do that right now. It is. Looks kind of cool though. Look how smoky that is. That looks so cool with the light.
Babe, do you want to grab the package of fireworks? We'll light off a couple more.
All right.
You want a couple more?
Yes!
Oh, short-lived.